Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today, let's learn an English vocabulary, forbearance and tolerance, explained in Tagalog. Let's dive in. Introduction. Have you ever wondered about the difference between forbearance and tolerance? Although both words involve patience and acceptance, they are used in different situations. In this lesson, you'll learn the meaning of forbearance and tolerance in Tagalog, their pronunciation, example sentences, short dialogues, quizzes, and a fun YouTube short script to help improve your English vocabulary. Word 1. Forbearance. Pronunciation. Forbearance. Meaning, forbearance means patient self-control, especially when dealing with difficult people or unpleasant situations. Tagalog meaning, pagtitimpi. Pagtitimpi. Pagpapasensya. Pagpapasensya. Mahabang pasensya. Mahabang pasensya. Example sentences. Number 1. The teacher showed forbearance when the students became noisy. Nagpakita ng pagtitimpi ang guro nang maging maingay ang mga estudyante. Number 2. His forbearance prevented an argument. Ang kanyang pagpapasensya ang nakaiwas sa pagtatalo. Number 3. Parents need great forbearance when raising children. Kailangan ng mga magulang ng malaking pagtitimpi sa pagpapalaki ng mga anak. Number 4. Thank you for your forbearance during the delay. Salamat sa inyong pagpapasensya habang may pagkaantala. Number 5. She answered the rude customer with remarkable forbearance. Sinagot niya ang bastos na customer ng may kahangahangang pagtitimpi. Word 2. Tolerance. Tolerance. Meaning, tolerance means accepting or respecting differences in opinions, beliefs, cultures, or behaviors. Tagalog meaning, pagpaparaya. Paggalang sa pagkakaiba. Pagpaparaya. Paggalang sa pagkakaiba. Pagiging mapagparaya. Pagiging mapagparaya. Example sentences. Number 1. The teacher showed forbearance when the students became noisy. Nagpakita ng pagtitimpi ang guro nang maging maingay ang mga estudyante. Number 2. His forbearance prevented an argument. Ang kanyang pagpapasensya ang nakaiwas sa pagtatalo. Number 3. Parents need great forbearance when raising children. Kailangan ng mga magulang ng malaking pagtitimpi sa pagpapalaki ng mga anak. 4. Thank you for your forbearance during the delay. Salamat sa inyong pagpapasensya habang may pagkaantala. 5. She answered the rude customer with remarkable forbearance. Sinagot niya ang bastos na customer ng may kahangahangang pagtitimpi. Word 2. Tolerance. Meaning, tolerance means accepting or respecting differences in opinions, beliefs, cultures, or behaviors. Tagalog meaning, pagpaparaya, paggalang sa pagkakaiba, pagiging mapagparaya. Example sentences. 1. We should practice tolerance toward people with different beliefs. Dapat tayong maging mapagparaya sa mga taong may iba't ibang paniniwala. 2. Cultural tolerance promotes peace. Ang pagpaparaya sa iba't ibang kultura ay nagdudulot ng kapayapaan. 3. Schools teach students the value of tolerance. Itinuturo ng mga paaralan ang kahalagahan ng pagiging mapagparaya. 4. Religious tolerance is important in a diverse society. Mahalaga ang pagpaparaya sa relihiyon sa isang magkakaibang lipunan. 5. His tolerance made everyone feel welcome. Dahil sa kanyang pagiging mapagparaya, naging komportable ang lahat. Difference between forbearance and tolerance. Forbearance, tolerance. Forbearance, patient self-control. Tolerance, acceptance of differences. Forbearance focuses on your reaction. Tolerance focuses on respecting others. Forbearance, enduring difficult situations. Tolerance, accepting different beliefs or opinions. Tagalog, forbearance, pagtitimpi. Tolerance, Tagalog, pagpaparaya. Short dialogue 1. Anna, why didn't you get angry? Ben, I practiced forbearance. Anna, that's difficult. Ben, yes, but staying calm solved the problem. Short dialogue 2. Teacher, why is tolerance important? Student, because everyone has different opinions. Teacher, exactly. Respecting those differences creates peace. Short dialogue 3. Mother, why didn't you argue with your brother? Son, I wanted to show forbearance. Mother, I'm proud of you. Multiple choice quiz. Number 1. Which word means patient self-control? A. Tolerance. B. Forbearance. C. Freedom. Answer is letter B. Forbearance. Number 2. Which word means respecting differences? A. Courage. B. Patience. C. Tolerance. Answer is letter C. Tolerance. Number 3. Which sentence uses forbearance correctly? A. She respected different religions. B. He remained calm despite being insulted. C. We visited the museum. Answer is letter B. He remained calm despite being insulted. 4. Tolerance helps people blank. A. Fight more. B. Respect differences. C. Forget everything. Answer is letter B. Tolerance helps people respect differences. 5. Which Tagalog word best matches forbearance? A. Pagpapasensya. B. Pagtakbo. C. Paglalaro. Answer is letter A. Pagpapasensya. Fill in the blank. 1. The manager showed blank when employees made mistakes. Answer is The manager showed forbearance when employees made mistakes. 2. Schools encourage blank among students from different cultures. Answer is schools encourage tolerance among students from different cultures. 3. Instead of shouting, he practiced blank. Answer: instead of shouting, he practiced forbearance. 4. Blank helps people respect different opinions. Answer is tolerance helps people respect different opinions. True or false? Number 1. Forbearance means staying calm during difficult situations. Answer is true. Number 2. Tolerance means getting angry with different opinions. Answer is false. Number 3. Both words involve patience and respect. Answer is true. 4. Tolerance is important in multicultural communities. Answer is true. Matching type. Match the word with its meaning. Number 1. Respecting differences is letter B. Number 2. Patient self-control is letter A. Forbearance. So, respecting differences means tolerance. Patient self-control is forbearance. Conversation practice. A. Why didn't you respond to the rude comment? B. I chose forbearance instead of arguing. A. That's very mature. B. Staying calm often leads to better solutions. Vocabulary challenge. Complete the sentence. I respect everyone's beliefs because I value blank. Answer: I respect everyone's beliefs because I value tolerance. This video ends here about English vocabulary, forbearance, and tolerance explained in Tagalog. Thank you for watching English Tutor Hub official channel. See you next time. Bye!